Hi everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. If you have fine hair and you want a hair addition but you don't want it to look like a hair addition, I'm doing a hair unit for my client today that does just that. And I am so excited to give her a glamour makeover that she has never had before, and that it is going to be a total surprise and an absolute pleasure for her. Stay tuned and watch the amazing transformation.
Oh, isn't she gorgeous? Oh my goodness. I told her she favors Iman to me. The model Iman, I love this hairstyle. She is not used to a lot of thick hair. Her own hair is fine, so I did not want to put a lot of hair on her head. This is perfect for Linda. It's absolutely perfect. The density, the style, and I love the color. It just jazzed up her whole personality. It's gorgeous. And the install with the clips and just with using a little E-bend around the hairline, it's going to make it really easy for her to manage and to maintain. And it's a style that she can wear comfortably and not feel self-conscious because it looks just like her own hair. Don't you look beautiful?
Wow. Thank you.
You are very welcome. She looks fantastic. Oh my goodness. I am just so pleased. But this style is stunning on her.
Wow.
It really is.
That is amazing.
It's amazing. It is absolutely beautiful. You look great. Thank you everybody so much for joining me, and I will have another transformation makeover coming real soon. So please, before you leave, subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you will always know when I am working my magic. Thanks so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next time. You want to say bye, Linda?
Bye.
Take care, everybody.
Wow.
Oh.